Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Harry Styles watermelon sugar inspired look. So please stay tuned to the video and we'll get right into the look. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Revolution palette right here, and I am going to start off with this pink shade right here, and I'm just going to start applying that to my crease. Back in with the same palette, I'm going to be using this light pink shade right here just to help blend out that dark pink colour, just so it's not as harsh. Now I'm going to go in with my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Going back in with the same Revolution palette again, I'm going to use this light grey sheen just to add to where I cut my crease. I'm going in with my Revolution Chill palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Plant. Back in with the Revolution Chill palette, I'm going to use the shade Hybrid with a small liner brush, and I'm going to apply that along my crease. Next, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just going to use this to add the watermelon seeds. Now that I've finished my shadow, I'm going to go in with some makeup remover and a Q-tip, and I'm just going to tidy up the edges. Okay, so now the eyes are done, I'm just going to jump off camera and do my base and my lashes before we add the final touches. Okay, so my base has been done and my eyelashes have been applied, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back in with my Revolution palette, and I'm going to be going back in with that shade Plum, and I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes. touches, I'm going to go in with a Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Unsettled, just to add a little bit of, well not a little bit, quite a lot of pink to my lip. And there we have it, that's my Harry Styles inspired look done. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the products I use will be linked in the description down below. Also for anyone who is interested in streams and Twitch, I will also be linking my partner's Twitch stream down in the link below as well. So if you could please go check that out and give him a follow, it would be really appreciated. So yeah, but anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.